Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You open Roblox Studio and sign in. This gets you into the environment instantly. Next, pick a template that fits your goal: baseplate for simple builds, obby for platforming, or empty game for full control. Once done, enable Team Create from the View menu so others can join and edit simultaneously. Save the project to your Roblox account now, because autosave can fail. Make sure to name the place clearly, so you can manage versions and collaborators without confusion. You should structure the game by organizing models into folders and tagging important parts, which makes scripting and debugging faster. For functionality, write Lua, use local scripts for UI and client effects versus server scripts for authoritative game logic. Once done with a mechanic, test it immediately using play or start server/client and emulate devices for mobile or console behavior. When bugs appear, read the output window for error lines, then fix one issue at a time, and when the game is ready, publish it via file right arrow publish to Roblox as, choose the correct place, and set permissions for public or private. Then configure game settings for monetization, device support, and thumbnail so players find and play it. Once live, monitor analytics and player feedback, and update iteratively. If something goes wrong, check the output for errors, revert to an earlier version in the Create menu if necessary, and make incremental fixes before republishing to avoid introducing new issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.